going to solve some important problems related to age. With respect to the age problems, we have to represent the instructions that's given in the problem into the form of equations. And very importantly, we have to note down the age is concerned with what time, that is present, past or future. And next one is the relationship between the age of the person. If it is a single person or it may be two people, then the age has to be compared. Okay, so writing it in the equation is very important, and we are going to see how we are going to use that in the solving these problems. First problem is Mary is 11 years old. Sum of their ages of Mary and Tiffany is equal to 17. So we know the value of Mary's age, that is 11, plus Tiffany's age unknown is equal to 17. So Tiffany's age is going to be 6. Next, Tom is 12 years old. What is the average of his years 4 years ago? 4 years ago means Tom's age now minus 4. That will be giving the answer for Tom's age 4 years before. So 6 years ago. So it is T minus 6. So we know the Tom's age 12 minus 4 and 12 minus 6. That's going to be 8 plus 6 by 2. Why we are doing this? We have to find the average of both ages. So it is going to be 14 by 2, which is equal to 7. Okay. My older brother is 6 years older than I am. So there are two people involved. One is the brother, the other one is me. So older brother's age is 6 years older. So that means 6 plus my age. And then sum of our ages, my age and my brother's age, is going to be 30. How old is my older brother? Okay, so we have to just substitute the value of b in this equation. So it's going to be 1 plus 6 plus n, which is equal to 30. 2n is equal to 24. So my age is going to be 12. They are asking for age of my older brother. So the brother's age is 6 years added to my age. So he is going to be 18 years old. Okay. So Mary is 4 years older than Sue. Sue is 9 years old if the sum of their ages is 60. Okay. So Mary is going to be 4 years older than Sue, and sum of the ages of Mary and Sue is going to be 60. Okay, so let's substitute the value of Mary in this thing. So 4 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 2n equals 20, n equals 10. So this is the age of Sue. We're also asking for the age of Mary. So age of Mary is 4 years plus Sue's age, that is 10. So Mary is going to be 14 and Sue is going to be 10. Okay, we had done a mistake here. I think we might have probably got the mistake. Okay, just see the mistake. It's 12. So 4 plus 6 is going to be 10. So we have to be very careful. Okay, next is Fred is 4 years older than Barney. So two people involved. Fred is 4 years older than Barney. Okay, and 5 years ago the sum of their ages was 48. So what is the age 5 years before of Fred? So Fred will be minus 5. Fred's age minus 5. And Barney's age also is minus 5. And their sum is going to be 48. So writing the equation is very important. See here just sum of their ages. So we wrote m plus n. Here 5 years ago the sum. So we have to eliminate 5. F minus 5 plus b minus 5 will be equal to 48. The remaining things are same. We have to substitute the value here. So first I'll make it simple and substitute the value, that is 4 plus b plus b minus 10 is equal to 48. So b equals, okay, this Barney's age is equals 27. So if Barney's age is 27, what is the age of Fred? That is 4 years older than Barney. So it is going to be 30. Tim is 5 years older than John. 6 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 5. So the model is same, but the trick is here 6 years from now. Okay. Okay. First we will represent Tim's age. Tim is 5 years older than John. So 5 plus John. 6 years from now. So how will you write? T plus 5. Okay. This age of Tim, and 5 years after the John's age, sum is going to be 79. So it is going to be t plus j plus 10 equals 79. Substitute the value of 10 here. So it is 5 plus j plus 10 is equal to 79. So j equals 10. Okay. And we have to find the Tim's age. Tim's age is 5 years older than John. So he's going to be 36. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next problem. 14 years from now, Miguel will be twice as old as Mary. So 14 years from now. So we have to add the 14 to Miguel's age. Okay. And this value is going to be equal to twice as old as Mary. Twice as Mary. Twice as Mary means we just put 2 times m. But here it is given twice as old as Mary. So the terms are very, very important. As old as Mary means Mary's age also is increased comparative with Miguel. Okay, Miguel's age is represented after 14 years. So Mary's age is also represented after 14 years. Okay, so this term is important giving the answer. Okay, then the current sum of the ages of Miguel and Mary is equal to 50. Okay, so we can represent Miguel's age also in the form of 50 minus, yeah, right, and we have to transfer it to this equation. So it will become 40 plus 50 minus m, which is equal to 2m plus 28. So that by 3m, which is equal to 36, and m is equal to 12. If so, this is, yeah, if m is equal to 12. So Mary's age is going to be 12. So what is the age of Miguel? So how old is Mary right now? So we can stop the equation with This baby is 12 years old. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. So your father is 4 times as old as his son. Father is 4 times as old as his son. Okay. In 20 years, the father will be twice. So in 20 years, so father's age is 20, as old as his son. So f plus 20 is equal to twice as son's age, right? So here I'm indicating father as the present tense, so the son's age also is indicated in the present stage. Here it is f plus 20, so after 20 years, son's age also is compared to, so as old as, that word is very, very important. Okay, now we have to substitute the value of f here. So 4s plus 20 is equal to 2s plus 40. So 2s is equal to 20. So s is equal to 10. Age of son is 10, and they're asking for each of them. So for this age, it's going to be 4 times the age of the son, right? So it's going to be 40 years old. Okay. Next, sum of the ages of a wood plate and bronze plate is 20. Wood plate plus bronze plate is equal to 20 years. 4 years ago, the bronze plate was one half the age of wood plate. So the bronze plate age 4 years before. So B minus 4 is equal to one half the age of the wood plate. So age of the wood plate, so it is bronze is minus 4 means wood plate's age also minus 4 by half. Okay, so it's going to be 2b minus 8 is equal to W minus 4. Okay, so we have to substitute the age of b in this equation. Okay, and by substituting like that, we find the age of b equals 8, and the value of wood plate is equal to 2. Okay, next is an important problem, a different sort of problem, where A is now 34 years old and B is 4 years old. In how many years will A be twice as old as B? In all the previous problems, they were giving the age after some years, okay, and we are finding the age of the individual person. Here, the age of the person is given, and we are asking for how many years the ages will be of this sort, twice the old. Okay, so that means we are asking, so how many years will be it? So that means it is the future. So some x value, okay, then it will become twice the value of, okay, so this is the question. How many years will A plus A plus x will be twice the age of B? So B plus x. Since we know the value of A and B, just we substitute it. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2x. So it's going to be x is equal to 26. Okay, so let's just check it out. So A's age is 34. After 26 years, he will be 60 years old. Age of B is 4 now. After 26 years, his age will be 30. So is the age is 2 times 30, right? This is the question they're asking. So the answer is after 26 years. So I think these problems I had just sorted it out in the increasing complexity, and we will be seeing more of these related problems in my next video also. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, use the comment section. Thank you.